How we doing, everyone? Let's open it up. Let's check it out. Unboxing. So we'll put it on the channel just to see what we think of it. You guys know the unboxing format. DeWalt blade. I cut, luckily the thank you card was on top. Usually I'm more careful than that. Cut that through the thank you card. All right. Little samples package from the store. Yummy, yummy, maybe later, some of those. Maybe we'll do an unboxing for the samples, who knows? Let's check this out. Okay, this is from Wesker, Eau de Mystique. Seems like a fall fragrance. Yes, I got a very good special. I couldn't pass up. And check out the presentation. Look at that. It's wood. It's actually a wood cap. My fave is always wood caps. These look hand painted. That is phenomenal. Oh man, you can smell it. Wow. Looky, looky. Ooh, no spray out of the pump. Always a good thing, too. Great atomizer. Wow. I don't know notes to see if notes are on the back. Ingredients are perfect fall fragrance. Spices, resins. I think there's vanilla. I'm not sure. Huge cinnamon. This is a cinnamon bomb. With labdanum, something like that. Trying to detect the citrus, like an orange that's potpourri orange, like Christmas orange, with tons of spices on it. Labdanum notes pretty strong. Florals. A rose. Incensey. There's an incense in the fragrance. Cinnamon. Oh, I love the atomizer. Vanilla. It's a vanilla fragrance. Spicy amber. Something sweet. What else with vanilla? Not honey. Not beeswax, honey. Honey forward, honey, cinnamon, vanilla. Perfect fall fragrance for a latte. Those are all the stuff I love in a latte. With just spiced fruits that you get with not apple, but that level. Orange pills and then the dark, is it plum? Something like that. Not strong forward sweet plum, but dried up. Dried fruit. It's good stuff. Short unboxing. Eau de Mystique, Wesker perfumes. That's just a beautiful chosen bottle. How do you guys get these bottles? I'm looking for them right now. This is wax. It's wax on there. Bottle's fancy. It's really cool. Anyways, all love from the channel, guys. Short one. Be blessed. Eau de Mystique.